Alright, hello everybody. The name is Devin-Wario speaking. Today, we will be reacting to okay. So anyway, today we are going to be reacting to his cats versus robot vacuums. Anyway, before we get into this video, be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe with the bell to be notified. And don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video who absolutely made this video called Cats versus Robot Vacuums. And also, before we get into the topic of this video, why I'm going to react to this video, and also, by the way, is that Zane Vlogs, by the way, also wanted to tell me something. And also, by the way, yeah, I think Zane Vlogs wanted to tell me something about it, but I don't know what he was going to tell me about, even though if it was about the exposed thing about that again, but I really don't know. But, if Zane does reply in the comments, then I'll be sure to talk to him in the comments. And also, if other people have any questions in the comments section, then I'll pretty much respond any other question as usual as I can. But anyway, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to the original person and original creator support original video who absolutely made this video called Cats versus robot vacuum. So anyway, pretty much. So anyway, once again, everybody, let's get into this video and let's react to this in 3, 2, 1, go. And here we go. Wow. Let's see what cats are going to do with the robot vacuums. Hmm. Hey, look at that cat. He's standing up. Cool. Hmm. Never even know that some cats can do that. Huh. What's that cat gonna do? Aw, it's so cute. Oh. Yeah. Man, I just like that music back there. Ooh, that was close. Ha, nice. Ha, ha, ha. Man, good editing there. That's very good editing. Good editing. Oh my goodness. Cool. Whoa. Whoa.
Starting remote control.
Hmm. Oh, what's it gonna do? Oh.
Going back to the dock.
Ha ha. Ha. Yeah, look at that cat.
Shut down the system.
Oh, looks like the cats won. This time the cats really did win. Oh, we're seeing the same thing again, but wait a minute. Oh yeah, we are. Yeah, yeah, it's almost like if it was the next day. Man, I just like it. Man, so far I gotta say about this video of like cats versus vacuum robot vacuums, that was very good. I mean, that was very good. Very impressive on this video. And also, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Be sure to give this one a like, comment, subscribe, the bell to be notified. And also, without that being said, everybody, is thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. And also, yeah, see you guys in the next video or two or whatever. But see you guys in the next video. Bye.